This screencast is to help you get to the new CMAPP, which is called CMAPP 2.0 and is located on Learning Central. When you log into your Wake ID portal, your home screen will look like this. Once you are here, you will need to go to the orange button that says Learning Central at the right of your screen. Once you click on Learning Central, this screen will pop up. It automatically defaults to your dashboard, which will show you Canvas courses you are enrolled in. You will need to go to the left of your screen to this button that says Learning Central. When you click on that button, Learning Central, you will need to scroll down and you will see all sorts of resources from Wake County Public Schools. The first button here in the middle of column at the top is called Curriculum. You will need to click on that button. When you do, you get to CMAPP 2.0. From here, you will have all of your curriculum located by grade level. So for instance, if I click on kindergarten, it will take you to language, mathematics, science, and social studies. I will click here on language and you will see that CMAPP 2.0 will look a lot like the previous CMAPP. I'm going to click here on kindergarten reading. And you will see that you will have your units by quarter. And then if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you will have your additional resources. A huge important piece that I'll be talking more about later is you will see the new 2018 standard changes for kindergarten. You will need to take some time as a team and we'll go over as a staff these new changes. But you will see your quarterly overviews, your scope and sequence, documents from DPI, and all the other information you had on CMAPP as I scroll down. So this is how you get to CMAPP 2.0. Just as a reference again, you go to Learning Central, you scroll down to Curriculum, and then you scroll and you find your grade level, which will host all of your standard scope and sequence and resource guides.